I am so excited. I'm so excited. Get my first real crawler to add to the group. And this is going to be the Enduro. So this is going to be phase 1 of my new building series that we're doing. And this is going to be the Enduro. In this part, we're going to move over to the workbench. We're going to unbox this bad boy and just kind of talk about the bags and what comes in this box before I spend the rest of my weekend building this thing. And then I'll come back after I get the roller built, and then we'll talk about it. And I'll give you my thoughts on how it was to install and build everything. All right, well, let's get over to the workbench. I'm excited. All right, so the Enduro Builder's Kit. It's kind of cool. It comes in the box. It comes with a scale garage. Like, I could set this up and take pictures. And yes, we are going to take pictures. All right, so what comes in the box is a bunch of bags. And they're all labeled. Like this one here says bag 2, and it has a part number. And you got bag 8. Bag 9, that's your shocks. So that's kind of cool. Shows your shocks in there. This is bag 3, and these are your 2 different size battery trays, which we're going to go with the longer battery tray. We're doing a lot of trailing, so I'm going to use the longer batteries. But we may get some shorties to put in there if we're going to do any major rock crawling. But we got that. Bag 4. They don't come out in any order, do they? Looks like this is that special transmission that they make, that the whole transmission's inside of here. You got bag 11 is your shock fluid, and it looks like you got some diff grease there. Yeah, assembly grease is what they call it. I'm not going to use this. This is says 300 CST. I actually got some 40 weight, and that's what I'm going to we're going to use this in both rigs, so everything's identical. So we're going to put 40 weight in all the shocks. And let's see here, bag 5. This looks like one of the axles. And then we have bag 6 is another axle. Bag 10 looks like our body posts. And this is bag 7. So this has got all of our links in it. It has those plastic, that's kind of a white plastic or a Delrin piece. And that's what we're going to replace with these steel ones, or aluminum ones. Sorry, aluminum ones. So we're going to replace those with that. And then you got bag number 1, which was all the way on the bottom, and that's our chassis. So I'll start putting this together and everything. Inside of here is where we're gonna find some of this stuff that we're gonna replace in the hardened. So remember, I got the shock towers, or the shock mounts is what they call them, and then I've got the frame mounting plates, and those are in hard, and then I've also got the gearbox and servo mount all in hard. And then you've got the manual. Now, I've heard some kind of mixed reviews about the instructions on this manual, and I've heard some good things. But you got the manual, comes with some cool little stickers. And then looks like it comes with a wish book about all the different ones and the kits that you can get. You know, it looks like it has it even has some associated stuff in here. You know, it shows the buggies and the SR10 and the DR10s, you know, the drag racing thing. That got big for a little bit and kind of went away. But you know, it shows the different enduros that you can buy in the ready to runs, including the Gatekeeper Builder's Kit. That might be something I might do next. I might want a Gatekeeper. We'll see. I'm kind of new to this whole crawling thing. I've been a basher most of my life, and as you can see, everything behind me is a basher. And so this is kind of new. We're gonna dig into this pile. We're gonna get this bad boy put together, and then I'll definitely see you guys in a future video. Wish me luck. And if you got any questions, jump down in the comments section. I'll be watching. And I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ. And you're going to hear me say and so, and yeah, you're going to hear that a lot. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and bash that bell, though. I'm Stitch. I'm out.